Kalau Anda kumpulkan seluruh buku yang ada di Pustaka Utuh, di Unsia, di UI, UGM, Harvard, semuanya akan sampai pada satu kesepakatan. Leadership is influence. Influence artinya pengaruh. Kalau bahasa Quran itu disebut dengan laqad kana lakum fi rasulillahi uswatun hasanah.
Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely times. You can dance every dance with the guy who gives you the eye, let him hold you tight. And you can smile every smile for the man who held your hand beneath the pale moonlight. But don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Oh, I know that the music's fine like sparkling wine. Go and have your fun, laugh and sing. But while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. And don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last.
Alhamdulillah malam ini kita sudah selesai makan di Wahju, tepatnya ada di kaki Gunung Kulu. Nah sekarang kita akan kembali ke Banda Aceh.
Sayang,
ya
selesai makan?
Alhamdulillah udah.
Pulang ya, yuk.
Oke. Ya Allah.
Masuk sayang.
Terima kasih.
Ya kita pulang ke Banda Aceh ya.
Iya.
Gak ada tinggal ya?
Enggak.
Oke. Ya oke, kita ke Banda Aceh ya.
Oke.
Kasih bel dulu. Oke, terus mau ngebut atau mau jalan santai?
Santai aja.
Santai, oke. Ini santai. Kita nikmati suasana ya.
Oke.
Mau ngebut 120 km per jam juga bisa, tapi kali ini kita santai aja ya.
Oke.
Oke, ayo kita